Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on the DX-98VHP. This is for Cameron in New York City, New York. Okay, Cameron, we're going to start. He asked me to put a switch on the back here, turn the big power off the amplifier. So we're going to start with the low. We do the switch in low, and we're in the front power control in low, and we're on AM. Okay. So just below 1 and just above 40, or just above 4. Okay. Peak power in the 50 watt swag. That's in the middle scale there. Audio, see it going over 40. Audio, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then that same power level on the sideband. Audio, check. Got about 40 audio. Alright. Now I'll take that switch in the back, pop it up. Now we have high power. I'm going to take this and turn it down again. Put us back on AM. And over here, go to a bigger slug, a 500. So we can get our middle scale there. Okay. Turned all the way down. We're back in AM. All the way down to 6 watts. It's a 100 watt scale now. And all the way up is 60 watts. Over here on the 500 scale. Audio. See, that's 200, that's 250. Audio, check. Audio. Audio. Alright. Audio, check. Audio. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and then sideband, same power level. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check. Audio. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it. About at 19, can I get a radio check?
Loud and clear.
Oh, I appreciate you taking the time, man. Thank you. Take care.